Hi everyone. Well, I thought I would do something a little different since we're in this crazy times where we're all stuck at home. No, not stuck at home. We're safe at home. I thought it might be fun to revisit some of our mixed media morsels, and I'll call them extra helpings. So these are just some little projects you can work on if you want to. No pressure. Just if you'd like to play along, I'd love for you to. And then you can post them in our Mixed Media Morsels Facebook group. So as you see, I've got a whole bunch of paper bits, leftovers. I've got some embellishment items, little flowers, buttons. I've got some clips here. And I just thought I would work with some of these little items and make some little paperclip embellishments. As you know, I've been working on a little junk journal, my joyful junk journal, which I love. And I thought some of these bright colored papers and bits put together on some little clips would look really cute in that junk journal. So if you've got a junk journal that you're working in, you might want to consider taking some of your leftover paper bits and some paper clips and some stickers and just any kind of little bits you have lying around and make some little paperclip embellishments. I'm also getting ready to, hopefully soon, start a little nature journal. So I grabbed some paper bits out that had some nature-themed items, or in this case, like circles, like with colors that kind of blended. But you can see some botanicals, in some of these. And so I grabbed some of those out too, just in case I decided I might want to make a nature-themed or botanical-themed paperclip embellishment for that journal, so that I'll have a couple of those ready maybe when I get ready to start that. And then I just laid out some papers in the same kind of color groups, just because I don't know for sure what I'm going to make, and I thought I would just gather some things, and that was my process. I just went and dug out my scrap box and laid out some things in the same color families. So I'm going to just put this in fast forward and just work with some music for you and create some fun things that I will be able to show you again later when I start to make another junk journal play video. So I'll see you again in a few minutes. When I get done making a few of these, I'll come back and talk to you a little bit more. we have a few little sweet little paper clips, and these are going to be so fun in my little journals. I can't wait to start using some of them. And I'm soon going to be recording another episode of my junk journal play, so I'll hopefully can use, I know one for sure I'm going to use, and then there may be some others too. But I wanted to mention on this little clip here with the butterfly, that's a little watercolor butterfly I made the other day, and this one also is just a little little stem of leaves that I made. So those are really fun when you can create your own little focal pieces for your embellishments. I love that. That just thrills me. So I just wanted to mention that it's so much fun to do. And one other thing about this clip, you notice this one I did with the clip on the side, right? And after I got it together, I realized, you know, I would have been smart to leave it open on both sides. And that way it can be attached to a page on this side, or you could have the clip, you can pretend like this is going inside, or you could have the clip on this side and it could go on a left-hand page. So if you make any of these like this, that you put a clip on the side, just leave it open all the way across the middle right here, and then put all your glue inside there and inside here, and just leave the middle section open. And you can put the clip on either way. You know, because like right now, I don't know for sure what page I'm going to use these on. So it might be good to have the option to switch the clip around so that you can use it on a different side. I had so much fun just creating these little clips, and I can't wait to make some more and do some other fun things, which I want to do in this extra helpings series of the Morsels, just so that we can kind of revisit some of the things we've done in the past and maybe do some more, you know. And we all may be doing different things now than we were when those original Morsels were done. I know I am. I'm making more journals and things that I can actually use these kinds of pieces in. So I'm hoping that you guys are in the same situation. You're doing some different things, and you may find better uses for a lot of this stuff. So and now you may have more things in your stash to build with and to create just some fun little clips and little embellishments and things. So I hope you will participate, play along with me. I think it's going to be fun, and it'll give us all something to do, keep us busy, and we'll be building our stash of embellishments at the same time. So we'll have things all ready to go when we do have a journal we want to put some fun things in. So let's play, let's keep creating, and keep our minds and our thoughts occupied on good things. And I will see you again in the next video. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.